What's up, y'all? It's your girl Liza Inez, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing DIY red bottoms, and I hope that you love this video. Today I am going to be showing you, I already went ahead and did one. I wrapped up my shoes in tape, and before you keep going, please hit that subscribe button. Show your girl some love, please. I'm going to do the other one for y'all so you can see exactly how this is done. But first, you are going to need some of the supplies. One thing you're going to need is acrylic paint, and it has to be dishwasher safe. You're going to need the sealer for the acrylic. I have matte on here, but you're going to need glossy, napkins, and you are ready to go once you get them paintbrushes, honey. So after that, let's hop right into this and we gonna get this, girl. Now you're gonna be taking very short strokes so that when you're doing it, it's not completely, uneven and everything else like that. So go ahead, make sure you get them sides and go ahead and start finishing it up. And you're gonna be doing this 3 times.